Hi children, good morning all. Hope you all are doing good. In the last class we have discussed rationalizing the denominator, which was the last topic of chapter 1. So we have completed our chapter 1. Today we are going to start our chapter 2, that is polynomials and factorization. Already we have discussed in our 8th class chapter 11 and chapter 12. Chapter 11 was algebraic expression, which is related to your polynomials, okay, and 12th chapter was factorization. So here also we have factorization, children. Okay, now see here, shall we start? Here first we'll see what is polynomial. Okay, what do you mean by the word polynomial? See here children, poly means many. Okay, poly means many, and nomial means what? Nomial means terms. Okay, nomial means terms. Okay, now so many terms. Okay, now what do you mean by words terms, children? Terms are nothing but term. See here, if the number is 5x, okay, so it is one term. Okay, not only 5x, if it is only 5, then also it is one term, children. Okay, now okay, now if I write 3x minus 9, okay, so how many terms are there in this? In this we have two terms, children. Okay, now two terms. Now how it has two terms? 3x is one term, okay, 9 is one term. Okay, now so overall two terms it has. How the terms are divided? By addition or subtraction. Okay, if addition and subtractions are there, that means it is divided into terms, children. Okay, now if I write 3x minus 9, so minus is there, so it is dividing the numbers as two numbers. It is dividing. Now if I write 9x, if the number is 9x square plus 5x minus 3, okay, so how many terms does this equation has? This has one term, 2 and 3. So how many terms it has? 3 terms, right children? So here, see here, addition and subtraction divide the terms. Okay, okay now children, if I write 9x square 5x, okay, there is no addition and subtraction between them, so this complete is only one term, children. Okay, now did you all understood what are terms? Okay, so polynomial means many terms. Already in the 8th class we have learned monomial. Yes, what do you mean by monomial? Monomial, that is mono means single, one. Okay, so monomial means one term. Okay, for example 3x or 5, okay, 9x square. So these are monomials. Okay, this is single term, is nothing but monomial. Mono means one. Okay, binomial, bi means what? Two. Okay, binomial means what? Two terms. So for example, this is the example of binomial, 3x minus 9. Okay, it has two terms. Okay, trinomial, tri means what? 3. So it has 3 terms. Okay now children, so this is the example for trinomial. Then multinomial, multinomial, that is more than 3. Okay, more than 3 terms, children. Okay, more than 3 terms. Okay, multinomial is more than 3 terms. Okay now, so polynomial is nothing but many, nomial means terms. Okay, many terms. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Now see here, now terms is all you have understood, right? Now variables, what do you mean by variables, children? All the alphabets A to Z, all the alphabets are nothing but variables. Okay, now in this class polynomial, will be discussing polynomial and non-polynomials. Okay, when it is said to be polynomial and when it is said to be non-polynomial. Okay, now see here, non-polynomial, non-polynomial. see here children, for non-polynomial the power should not be negative. For example, 9x minus 2. Okay, so the power has minus, so it is not a polynomial. Okay, it is not a polynomial. If I write for polynomial, see here, polynomial. If I write 9x square, then it is a polynomial. If it is negative power, then it is a non-polynomial. And variable should not be in denominator, such as 3 by x. Okay, so it is x. X is a variable, it is in denominator, so it should not be like this. Okay now children, so the number should be 3x, or else x by 3 is also polynomial children. Okay, x is in numerator, but x should not be in denominator. Okay, if it is in denominator, it is a non-polynomial. Okay now children, and see here, the power should not be a fraction. For example, if I write y power 1 by 2, y is a variable. If it has power in fraction, power is in fraction, okay, that is 1 by 2, y 1 by 2, then also it is a non-polynomial children. Are you all understanding? Y is nothing but a variable. Okay, x power 1 by 2, y power 1 by 2, z power 1 by 2, then it is a non-polynomial. Understood children? Next, and in one equation, like if the equation is 3x plus y, then also it is a non-polynomial. It should be like 3x square plus 3x. Only x variable should be in one equation. Okay, if it has 3x plus y, okay, so these are different polynomials, should not be in one equation, then it is a non-polynomial. Did you all understood children? This is your today's topic. See here, next topic is degree of the polynomial. Like, see here, degree. What do you mean by degree? Degree is nothing but power children. Okay, degree is nothing but power. Degree of the polynomial. Now see here, if my equation is x power 5 plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5. Okay, if my number is this. Okay, now this completely is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. It has all the variables as x, and the power is not in negative. It is not in negative, as well as it is not in fraction. So it is a polynomial. Okay, it is a polynomial. Now degree of the polynomial. Here, which is the highest power? Highest power. Which is the highest power children? Here we have three powers: 5, 3, 2. Okay, if it is x, x has which power children? 1, power 1. Okay na? So 5, 3, 2. Which is the highest power from this 3? 5. So 5 is our degree. Degree is equals to 5. Did you all understood children? Okay, next, see here, now linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Now what do we mean by linear polynomial? See here children, if your equation is 3x plus 5, okay, what is the highest power here? Highest power is nothing but 1. Okay, that is degree is nothing but 1 here. Okay, see, degree is 1. Degree is 1 here. So it is a linear polynomial. If the power is 1, if the highest power is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. Now in second equations, x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay, if the equation is like this, okay, x square plus 3x plus 4. What is the highest degree? What is the degree? Degree is nothing but 2. That is highest power is nothing but 2. So if the power is 2, highest power is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, cubic. What do you mean by cubic? If the power highest power is 3, so 2x square plus 5. See here, what is the highest power here? It is 3, that is degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, Hope you all have understood today's topic, children. I forgot a small thing, children. See here, in non-polynomial, the variable should not have root, okay, like root x, okay. Root x, if it has, then it is a non-polynomial. If it has root 3 x is separate, then it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. But if it is 3 root x, then it is a non-polynomial, children, okay. Then it is a non-polynomial. I hope you all have understood today's topic. That is our chapter 2, polynomials and factorization, okay now. Thank you, children. Have a good day.